Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup search results from Zillow for investors. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Zillow website. Log into your Zillow account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Use the search bar at the top. Once the search results appear, focus on the properties that catch your attention. Look for the filter options on the left side of the page to refine your search based on criteria like price, number of bedrooms, or property type. Adjust these filters until you have a manageable list of properties that meet your investment criteria. Now, click on each property to open its detailed view. In the Property Details page, copy the property link from the address bar at the top of your browser. Open a spreadsheet application, like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. In the first column of your spreadsheet, paste the links to the properties you've copied. Add additional columns for important information such as price, square footage, and the listing status. Go back to each property and fill in the corresponding details in your spreadsheet. Take note of any specific features or notes in a separate column for better reference later. If you find multiple properties, repeat this process until you have documented everything you need. Once you have gathered all the data, save your spreadsheet on your computer or cloud storage. Make sure to periodically return to Zillow to check for updates on your selected properties. By following these steps, you will have a comprehensive list of properties from Zillow ready for your investment analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.